Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, teacher. My name is Delan Stiven Rivera Flores, and today I'm going to like to view a little about my integration project, which is about importing clay. I hope you like the following. Video is will start when and right now. We begin our discussion by exploring the importance of establishing sovereign trade agreement to facilitate and streamline the flow of goods in the regard with exploration in the need for efficient import management system that allow for proper planning and smooth execution. Consequently, we deliver into international frictionary regulation for wooden packing, especially focusing in the NIF number 15 standard we estimate interrequieren only be standard if the line and is undergone in significant intention environmental protection and preventing the spread of speeds through walking packing with also exposing the new to certain packing materials complete with 10 standards to avoid cluster insurance and insurance semis operation. Regarding costs, we examine various aspects related to clay importation. We consider the estimated cost of the margin instead as well as additional expenses associated with packing verification and quality control. We also address costs related to looking onto trends and custom producers in both the exporting and importing countries. The information provided is wide overview of the total cost involved in the importation process. However, it is important to note that the civil and legality of the custom agents should be very directly with directly with competent authorities will when wanted in the experience and skill of the custom agents worked with. It is always its able to conduct additional verification to ensure complication with all regulation and requirement. Finally, with exploratory logistics on transportation and consider the total weight of claim of kilograms and tons, as well as the overall volume in the shipping in the cubic center and cubic meters. These data are crucial for effective transportation planning and numbering on the imported cargo capacity and ensure proper delivery of their goods. In the summary of conversation, only should deliver on essential aspects of claim importation. We analyze trade agreement, dictionary, standard cost, transportation, logistics, and custom prudence. Over, However, it is crucial to bear in mind each situation may vary and to run research and consultation are necessary before embarking on any import operation. The importation of clay is an essential process that involves the transportation of this material from its country of origin to outer destination around the world. Clay is widely used in its various industries such as construction, ceramics, chemical manufacturing, agriculture, and paper production. Its versatility and unique properties make it invaluable and in-demand resource globally. Importing countries benefit from the diverse variants and qualities of clay available in the international market. Additionally, importing clay can be strategic to ensure consistent and reliable supply of material, especially when local production is sufficient to meet domestic demand. Importing countries might also choose to import clay to leverage the competitive advantage of the other countries in their production costs, technological expertise, of resource availability. The process of importing clay involves several steps and requirements. That includes indexing and selecting reliable suppliers, negotiating contracts and trade agreement coordination, transportation and logistics, and complying with custom products and precautionary regulation is crucial to essential create an effective communication with suppliers and business partners, as well to add solid understanding of international trade regulation and policies. In summary, the import of clay a vital role in the supply of the valuable resource globally. Importing countries benefit from the availability of diverse variants and qualities, as will then ability to ensure consistent and reliable supply. Success in the process of importing clay industries of the broader circulation of supply, effective management of logistics, and compliance with constant and fictional requirements. In the case of India, the decision to import clay was driven by its high demand in the crucial industries, brick production, and ceramic manufacturing. India has growing construction industry and requires a large quantity of quality clay to meet its needs. Importing clay from other countries also allows India to access specific variants and ensure consistent and reliable supply. As for the United States, the importation of clay is demand in sectors such as ceramics, construction, and the chemical industry. Despite having local source of clay, importing is used to be needed to obtain clay with specific characteristics of high quality that are not readily available in the domestic market. Additionally, some types of clay used in special applications might be more cost effective to import training than produced in locality. We didn't end this video where in that I read about the import of clay in India and the United States. It highlights some things that are like we are going to bring in from the port on San Francisco from the United States. We enter with an encounter for import this product to also touch of the charts with the lead user in Colombia for its purpose for construction, which is the main attraction too. Import, I hope the teacher liked this video. I said goodbye, thanks you very much.